Don't give promises that you can't keep. Give only the promises you can give. Tama ba yun? Oh, halika. Gumawa po tayo ng kape. So, pag umaga, ano po ba ang iniinom nyo? Lately, ina-alternate ko yung coffee. Ang dami kong magkape, no? So, ina-alternate ko yung kape at saka yung fruit smoothie. So, okay, wala na pong asukal kasi ang creamer is matamis. Oh, di ba bongga po? Ayan. Ayan, yan ang ating umaga, kape. Pero mamaya, gagawa po tayo ng smoothie. Dito po. So, anyway, meron lang akong kukwento. Eh, lagi namang may kwento, di ba? It's a nice morning kwento. Naririnig niyo yung ibon? May ibon nang humuhuni uli. So, anyway, ano ba yung kwento? So, yung meron kang kaibigan. Tapos, paano ba yun? So, it happened this way. So, we were friends for a long time. And then, we've been texting back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Little did I know that he likes me. Yeah, but he's far away. Then, at one point, I think he got into a relationship and he vanished. Totally nawala siya. So, nag-disappearing act. Ghosting, diba? Saya. Ako naman, I'm the kind of person, if all of a sudden, someone suddenly stopped texting, calling, or connecting with you, or communicating with you, it doesn't bother me. Honestly, it doesn't bother me. I give reasonings for whatever. But when I hear the reasons why it happens, it has to be valid. You can feel it. You would know it. Alam mo yung nagsinungaling tsaka hindi. Alam mo yung gumagawa ng kwento sa hindi. Alam natin yan. We've been there. We've been through that. So, anyway, going to the future. Yesterday. So, nawala siya. Tapos, nagte-text kami kagabi. The text goes like this. Hey, let's get together. How are you doing? Let's meet up. So, I replied, sabi ko, yeah, sure. Let's plan it. So, plan. Anyway, dumating dun sa point ng texting na, yeah, I'll come next Saturday. Let's get together. Let's go somewhere, blah, 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 so and so. So, ang sagot ko, are you sure? Kasi po, pag ganun yung dating, parang, with the other people, they feel like it doesn't matter. It feels like they didn't do something. But you have to let them know. You have to let them know that something is wrong. Your friends, if you are considered friends, or if you are considered someone long distance, like friends, dapat hindi ka mawawala agad-agad unless nategi ka. Pero pag sinabi nagkasakit ako, nagkasakit ka lang pero pwede ka pa namang mag-text. Unless bedridden. But if some people tells you, I got sick, I got into something, say accident or whatever, sometimes it's hard to believe. Why all of a sudden you appear, ang lakas-lakas mo, you appear that when you text someone, it seems like nothing happened. It's wrong. So you have to make sure, you have to confirm. Sigurado ka. Gusto mo ba mag-meet? Do you want to spend together? It seems like it's unbelievable. So what happened? Now, there you go. Dumating ka dun sa point na you wanna ask, ano ba nangyari? Bakit ba? Revelation came. Sometimes people would say, like I said, they stitch together some stories, but then you would know if it's a real story or not. But some people would really just tell you, katulad kagabi, sabi niya, I'm so sorry I feel weird. Weird in what sense? He felt weird because of the feelings. Nalito daw siya, parang nalilito siya kasi hindi daw niya naintindihan kung ano yung naramdaman niya nung nakita niya ako. Joke! Hindi, yun ang sabi niya sa akin. Nalito daw siya, hindi niya alam kung masaya siya, he's excited, happy and all of that, being, together again after so many long years being apart. But then, nalito siya kung ano yung naramdaman niya. It happens. And I am all for that. Pag sinabi ng tao na I'm confused, I feel weird, you try to honor that. You try to understand. Because nararamdaman mo rin yun. Minsan ikaw, parang meron kang feeling towards some certain person na nalilito ka. Ano yung nararamdaman ko? Friends ba kami? Or I like the person as beyond friends? Or I like the person... Hindi ko alam. Pag nalito ka, you take time. You retreat. And then you try to process ano yung naramdaman mo. Katulad niyan, bumalik siya. Oh, diba? Ganda ng lola niyo. Ayun, then sabi niya, let's get together next weekend. Kasi nga, sabi niya, I miss your company, ganun, charot. So, yun ang tinanong ko naman sa kanya. I just asked, what happened? Why you disappear? I just need a valid reason why you disappear. Hindi pwede yung, wala ako kasi hindi ko feel na makita ka ngayon. Hindi pwede yun. You're friends. Diba? Hindi pwede yung, andyan naman siya. Okay, I have very small amount of circle of friends that we do that. But we communicate, we talk, we text, and we see each other. We saw each other before. Pag nagkita kami, ganun. Ito kasi iba. Iba kasi yung dating. Parang super long distance. And then eventually, you keep... Alam mo yung laging nagte-text sa'yo, constant. The word is constant. There is a continuity of texting, communicating, and then all of a sudden disappear. Then bumalik. Ang saya, diba? So anyway, to make it a little shorter, gusto daw niya mag-spend together kasi nga na-miss daw niya yung company ng tao. Ako. Lola niyo. So anyway, sabi ko sa kanya, just make it short because I allot time. Lahat naman tayo ganun. Ayaw natin yung ang word umaasa, hoping. Ayaw natin yon. Ay, hindi naman yung, alam mo yung, kasi minsan merong hoping na desperate, yung umaasa ka kasi desperado ka. Hindi naman ako ganun. Kaya lang, ang sinasabi ko lang, I have my life. Pag sinabi mo sa akin, if you tells me you're coming, I allot that time for you. And then, at an instant, hindi ka magpapakita, walang text, walang call, walang kahit na ano. Unless, sabi ko nga, nategi ka, o na bedridden ka, that's a valid reason. Pero I'm pretty sure, I'm sure, malalaman mo yon. Pero kung sinabi mo sa akin, I get so busy, that's a big, hindi ko masabi. Diba? I mean, you give importance to what you say. You own your word. You own the promise you say. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Kung hindi mo kayang gawin, sabihin mo ahead of time, hey, I'm sorry, I can't make it. How hard is that? Alam mo yun? Di lang naman ikaw ang tao sa mundo. Diba? Kaya lang, I honor my schedule. Sinisira mo schedule ko eh. Sana kapag entertain ako ng iba. Diba? Aminin nyo yun, diba? Sinayong mo yung schedule ko eh. Sana iba na lang ang nilagay ko doon. Pagod na nga ako sa trabaho eh. Diba? Sana masaya ako, kaya lang sinira mo. But anyway, so that's just what I'm saying. Try to make sure you honor the word that you say to someone. If you can't make it ahead of time, tell the person. Hindi yung bigla ka na lang mawawala. So ngayon, next time, ka naaasa. Wala nang asa. 'Di ba? Ganun lang yun. Anyway, so magkikita kami next week. Spend time together kami next week. Yun lang ang sinasabi ko. So, lesson learned. Don't give promises that you can't keep. Give only the promises you can give. Tama ba yun? Diba? Sabihin mo lang umasa. Para lang yung bumili ka ng bagay. Yun lang po. Good morning and hope you have a very, very good Friday. I love you. I'll see you again. Bye!